He's here, folks.
Cool. Check out the shop. What's under here?
Your bike.
Oh yeah? Unveil that thing. Yeah. No way. You did the frame and everything?
I did.
Holy moly, dude. Holy shnikes. Picture time. What'd you do to the motor and shit? Oh my gosh, dude. No way.
I know. Like
Dude,
the
that
whole deal was
cycloplastic looks so good.
I had to, man. I know this wasn't per our discussion, but that's another conversation for another time.
Dude.
You're the destroyer, man.
Dude, that thing looks freaking. That doesn't look like my bike. That thing looks bad.
It's Black Hawk.
Yeah. I like the blue. The blue
Yeah.
is just that touch of blue is sick.
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta be kidding me. This thing is sick.
So I have to apologize because I've been pulling your chain for a while.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, now I put it together. Yeah, you took your time with this thing. Dang. What do I owe you for all
But
that?
we don't need to talk about it. Right?
Are you sure?
Yeah, Nate.
How much is it, just time did you put into this? I know things are tight for you, man.
Yeah, but this is something that I made a commitment going into this thing, thinking that it was an opportunity, and I felt like, I don't know, you've never had this.
Yeah.
You know, it's something I want to do for you as a friend.
Dude.
Like, all you got to expect is what we talked about. That's it.
Dude. Well, I owe you, man.
No, you don't.
This is freaking sick. Dude, this is bad. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get my new forks on it because they're black, or they have the black bottoms.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll just tie it right up. So, are the cycle, it's all one piece on
Yeah,
the
the
side?
whole thing's one piece.
Dude, that's sick.
So
Even
yeah.
these two? It's all one?
Yep, it's all one. So it does away with the black, like the stock one, you know, and you get the scoop
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
inside here, so you get a little bit more clean.
Oh, you did these two?
Yeah, man.
Dude! So I'm gonna like break this thing in and then just leave it. I mean, I'm not gonna ride it like that thing, just hammer out hours on
Yeah,
it, you
just
know?
flying it out.
Yeah.
Save it for X Games.
Yeah, that competition in X Games. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't believe I'm taking this thing home. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna tear up. This thing is sick. Oh my gosh. So the whole swing arm, the linkage assembly,
Yeah.
frame.
I knew you expressed having a black bike, and I listened.
You did.
I went a little bit more than
Holy.
normal.
Is this my exhaust that I dropped off to you?
Yeah.
Wow. Dang, dude. I gotta get a few different angles on this thing.
Over the months, you know, as we started working together, it was about. I can tell you were just like, man, you just wanted to ride, and there was some stress going on. I think from both of us, you know, we both had talks about just
Yeah.
stuff, just being dudes talking to each other.
Yeah, man. I appreciate that too. It's,
You know, I want to get you
life
jacked up
gets
again.
tough, man.
Yeah.
It can get a little rough on you, huh?
Oh.
Just stress. I mean, we're all blessed, but just
Yeah.
stress can pile on. And,
Yeah.
but
Wow.
man, this is insane, dude.
I got another confession. I got this on video.
No way.
right.
I don't want to copy anybody. I want it to be me, an original. I'm not just doing it to collect a paycheck. You know, I put my heart out there. I'm proud of it. I want someone to get on this thing and be damn proud of it too. If I wanted to get rich, I wouldn't have been a race mechanic, you know?